Ay nako, brand out na naman. Dito nga muna tayo sa labas.
Ang init-init, hindi tayo makasolve for aircon sa loob.
Wala na bang ice? Gusto ko talaga uminom ng malamig na tubig.
10 minuto pa lang nawala yung kuryente. Pero basta kayo parang isang araw na. Yung lolo't lolo ka nga noon. Walang kuryente, walang electric fan, may ilaw, gawa pa sa lampara. Mabuti nga't hindi nyo na yun naranasan.
Ano na tayo? Wala rin signal? Paano kung may chat yung groupmates ko na
Sus! Parang yun lang. Yung lolo't lola ko nga walang cellphone noon.
Oh, ito na yung snack na kulang sa picnic natin. Pasensya kung natagalan kasi wala pa lang sasakyan sa labas at malayo pa yung tindahan. Sakit ng paa ko.
Okay lang yan, malayo sa bituka. Yung lolo't lola ko nga noon, kailangan pag tumawid na maraming ilog, bundok, makapalit lang ng mga pangangailangan.
Lo, hindi naman tutungkol sa lolo at lola mo. At anong pinagsasabi mo walang kuryente, walang walang sasakyan? Naabutan nga nila yung Industrial Revolution noon eh.
Oo nga, naabutan pa nila. Ngunit naranasan pa nila ang hirap ng buhay na walang teknolohiya. Nagbago lang lahat nang naimbento na ang steam engine.
Steam engine? Ano yun?
Run faster! James! Thomas!
Will we even make it on time? If only my shoes have wheels.
We still have time left before dawn. We can make it! What are these things? They are what they call the locomotives. The elongated thing with glides is called a train and the other one with 4 wheels is called a car. They are newly invented and developed only to hasten our daily problems, the transportation.
Wow! Amazing. But how is it powered? Do we push it to work?
No, it is powered by steam engine. This is invented by Thomas Savery and developed by James Watt, suitable to power these locomotives. You can use coal to fire and boil the water which turns into steam. The steam is the one responsible for the movement of these vehicles.
My dream have come true.
Everyone, look at that. That is a spinning jenny.
A spinning Jenny? What's that?
Yes, it's a spinning wheel invented by James Hargreaves that helps weave fabrics from threads. Quickly, it's also help in making fabrics and cloths less expensive because it does not need a huge amount of manpower to operate.
Bravo! Another one that can make life convenient.
I will surely send a letter to America for Marie saying that things have changed here in Britain. Everything is for the better.
But isn't it telling Marie through letter will take her time to receive and read it?
Well, that's true, but we don't have a choice. I hope one day someone will invent a tool that makes communications quicker and easier. But for now, let's just go home because it's getting dark.
Someday, something will light the night except from the moon and stars. Sabi ng lolo ko, naniniwala siyang mag-i-improve ang buhay at ang ekonomiya ng bansa. At naniniwala rin siyang magkakaroon o makakatagpo ng ilaw na gagabay sa ating mga gabi.
Oo naman, Lolo. Lolo mo po ba si Thomas Edison?
Hindi. Ngunit nakilala niya si Thomas Edison, ang nakaimbento ng light bulb. At si Alexander Graham Bell, yung nakaimbento ng telepono na naging susi upang makipagkomunikasyon sa malalayong lugar.
Wow! Ang galing naman, Lo! Ang dami palang nabago simula ng Industrial Revolution. Maliban sa napaunlad ang teknolohiya, mas napabilis rin ang daloy ng kalakalan simula noon hanggang ngayon.
Talagang ang galing ng siyensya. Talagang ito ang punot dulo ng lahat ng mga invention sa mundo.
Kung hindi siguro nila naranasan ang maghirap araw-araw noon, hindi rin nila mararanasan ang kaginhawaang dala ng teknolohiyang makabago. Lalo na ngayong panahon na hindi tayo mabubuhay kahit isang araw man lang na walang ginagamit na kahit anumang teknolohiya, gaya ng cellphone.
Oo nga, tama kayo mga apo.
Tama ka na rin, Lo. Tara na, mag-picnic na tayo.
Yay!